Hi, I'm Jed Hearn and this is Quick Storytelling Tips. Talking is action. It's a thing that characters use to get what they want. You know, if you consider the amount of times that you, in your own lives, use words to get what you want, it's clear that talking is always generally something with an ulterior motive. It might be subtle, but it's generally there. Consider applying this ethos to your stories. So when your characters are speaking, always ask as an author, what are they trying to get? When characters speak, they're pursuing their desire. Even if they're trying to hide it, it's actually more interesting if they're trying to hide it in a lot of cases. As Robert McKee says in this great book, Dialogue, which I highly recommend, quote, "No line of dialogue is finished until you've answered this question. In the subtext of my character's verbal activity, what action is he in fact taking?" No line of dialogue is finished until you've answered this question. In the subtext of my character's verbal activity, what action is he in fact taking? When you revise your stories, have a think about this. Critique each spoken sentence. Are your characters saying things that they want to say? Or are they just saying things that you, the author, wants them to say? In which case, it might feel forced. That's our episode. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time.